on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon to watch my all new videos.
Alright my dear, so today we are getting a new topic, that is what fluid kinematics, right? So what's up guys? So let's get started with the tutorial, right? So what is fluid? Basically you know that where it is having capability to flow is known as what? Fluid. It could be liquid or it could be gas, you know this, right? What is kinematics? Basically in mechanics we got two parts. One is kinematics, another is what? Dynamics. So what is kinematics? That what is happening basically in case of kinematics. We do not study kinematics only in case of fluid. We do study about kinematics in case of motion of any body, right? Kinematic of machine, comb, or theory machine also we know that subject. That is one of the important subject in case of designing and of course in case of automobile. So here what is kinematics? Basically without consideration of force causing motion, or you can say that in this case it is deals with motion without consideration of force. We are dealing with motion without consideration of force is known as what? Kinematics. Don't get confused with kinetic. Kinetic is part of dynamics. Are you getting my point? So do not get confused in this. Now here in case of fluid motion, because we do not talk about theory of machine, we will talk about what? Fluid motion. In case of fluid motion we are having two major concepts, and those concepts has been provided by what? Scientists. One actually basically approach. These are two approaches. Approach first and approach first and approach second. In case of approach first, the approach first is known as what? Lagrangian approach, and in case of second approach is what? Eulerian approach. There are two approaches we generally study about in fluid motion. Now what is Lagrangian approach and what is Eulerian approach, you need to understand. So what is the definition of Lagrangian approach? Lagrangian approach, its definition: a single fluid particle is identified during motion. A single fluid particle is identified during motion with time and its velocity, acceleration, etc. are described. Density also you can consider. Velocity, acceleration. No. In case of this slide, velocity and acceleration can be described. It's not we must not consider. I mean that is a different thing. So this is all about it in case of Lagrangian approach. Okay, single fluid particle. We are talking about single fluid particle only. Single fluid particle. So what is basically Eulerian approach? Eulerian approach. What is Eulerian approach? So what is the definition? It is used for a point for describing velocity, pressure, acceleration, etc. So one is point approach, another one is what? Single fluid particle. Now the thing is that which one we used, I mean which one is easier to use, which approach is easier for us, that is the question mark. That is the important star point, you can say that. So which one is easier? Eulerian concept is easier than Lagrangian concept. So try to understand this. In many books you will see concept, approach, method. So these things are same in case of both the approaches. Right? I hope you understand the basic concept of fluid kinematics. This is a little bit difficult one if you are not having basic concept, but definitely the way I am going to teach you, you will understand each and everything, because I am not going to share with you lengthy tutorials. Of course at the end of the subject I will share with you lengthy one of fluid mechanics, but now onwards I will share with you small tutorials. That's why you will not feel odd, or you will not feel bad, or you will feel boring while studying my tutorials, right? So thanks for watching, thank you very much, and see you soon in my next video tutorial. Bye bye.